I'm going to give you a demo of an online HR and payroll management software. Enter your login details and click on the sign in button. Click on the payroll management. This is the home page of an HR and payroll management software. Left hand side you can have the login details. As this software provides you a multi-login, so you can define the logins of your partners or your staff members so they will be able to log in to the software. You can define their access and they will work according to their access level. In the middle, you have few options. You can define employee information, and just like an Excel sheet, you can play around. You can make payroll months and make the payroll for that month. You can handle staff loans or employee loans. The system will give you a complete information about loan given and loan balance information. For example, these two staffs you have given to them loan. This was the loan amount. So far the loan has been deducted from them and this is the balance payable. Okay, this is the monthly installment you defined. Whenever you're going to generate the payroll for any month, the system will notify you that this much of installment you need to deduct from the employees. On the right hand side you have setup information. If you go inside, you can define the basic information like the department names in your organization. Under departments you have the sections, designations you can define for your system. Okay, accordingly these values will come up in the list of values whenever you are going to enter any information. HR and payroll reports. This section will provide you a variety of reports. You can have many kind of information in this screen like employee main information. If you hit on that, you can have a report, a complete report for that employee. Okay, you can make a filter just like an Excel sheet you are doing. You can hide and show columns just like an Excel sheet. For example, you want to hide a column this way. You want to see the information of your ex-employees. You want to see the information of your all employees. You want to rearrange the column sequence. For example, you want to come the employee number next to employee name. Okay, you want to include the hidden columns into the report. For example, you want to see the email ID and their age. For example, click on apply. Okay, like this. You can sort, filter. Sorting means you want to make sorting on for example males first. Okay, and filtering, you want to see the staff of any particular department. Okay, further you want to see all the drivers. Okay, this is a sample data. Okay, this is how you can apply filters and this is how you can remove the filters. For example, you want to see the information of Umar Heather. You need to click on this pencil sign. Okay, it will show you the basic information for that particular employee, personal information, bank information, salary and allowances information, job information, and resign and termination information. As you can see, few information is read only. You cannot change that information, unlike an Excel sheet. If you want to change the information, you have to click on this change button. A new window will come up, and in this window you can change the information. Account title is Ali. For example, whenever you will hit on the save button, the system will keep a record of the previous information. Okay, and it will show you the new record in front of you. So in this way the system keeps a record of each and every change. In addition to that, The system also keeps the record of the changer name and the date. Okay, click on the back button, back again. Okay, payroll month. These are the payroll months which are still open. Okay, you can edit any of them by clicking this pencil sign. This is the payroll for the month September 2021. Okay, at the bottom of this page it has some notifications which are very important while you are generating the payroll. Okay, it will show you any new hiring between this period, so you will be alert while doing the payroll that this person or this employee, how you are going to treat him. Any person who is leaving during this month will be notified here, so you will understand that how to treat this employee for this payroll salary. Loan deduction. As the system is not automatically deducting the loan from the employees, rather it gives you a notification, so you better understand that this month you are going to deduct the loan or not, or you are deduct the full installment or a half installment. This notification is also very important. Few employees, for example, left on their leaves, whether it is a paid leave, unpaid leave, sick leave, annual leave, whatsoever is. So this part of the notification will tell you that the employees are due to resume, but still their joining date is empty. So you better check with their managers that the particular employee has came back from the vacation or not. Accordingly, you can set the end date or you can put the joining date for that employee. Okay, so you can have a better understanding how to treat these employees in your payroll. In the middle section, you can have the screen where you can enter the overtime for the staff, for the employees. If you are paying the overtime for your staff, you can enter the number of hours for them, how many hours they work standard, normal, off days and holidays. Okay, in this part of the screen you can edit the monthly adjustments for the employees. For example, one employee has a penalty, you want to deduct something from him, or one employee you want to pay him some amount which is not a part of the regular salary. So you can enter any amount under the head incentive or adjustment, plus or minus amount. Loan returns, you can enter the amount of installment if the employee agrees to give you the loan back, or any cash payment you are going to make for that employee, you can do so. After doing your payroll month, you can generate the payroll month. It will give you a sheet. Okay, and after getting the payroll month approved or payroll approved, you can click on the closed and make save. This payroll month will be locked and will went to the history. Nobody will be able to edit this except the admin. Okay, and payroll report, each company has its own payroll report, so we can make a customization and we can make this report as per your demand. So all the elements for that payroll will come in that report. For example, employee name, basic salary, allowances, deductions, adjustments, incentives, loans, leave deductions, net salary, cash payment, this and that. Okay, let's come to the home page. Back, employee leaves. This is also a very important module of the HR payroll management software. These are the leaves entered which don't have the joining date. For example, I'll show you. This Umar Heather went on a vacation, 4 days leave. He was sick, so we have selected a sick leave for him. start date and date is there, comments are there. Okay, this is the HR use only. His joining date is empty. Whether he is joining late, accordingly you can set the to date and put the joining date here and make save. Whenever you enter the joining date, this record will go off from this report. Okay, let's go again to the Umar header, and right hand side it will show you that annual leaves allowed 30 days. Yani he has 30 days balance, still he don't have any he has not taken any kind of annual leave. He has taken 2 days sick leave. He was having a balance of 6 days and he took 2 days. This leave is not included in this unless it has a joining date. Paid and unpaid don't have never have a balance. If any particular employee has taken paid or unpaid leave, it will show you a count of days here. I'll show you another example. Maybe we have for example here, yes, he has taken 10 days paid leave, 2 days unpaid leave, 1 day annual leave, resulting 9 days balance. Okay, just you have to enter the leave information, start date and date. Okay, accordingly leave deduction will comes into the payroll report. You can also customize the leave. For example, this employee has gone for 8 days. You want to charge him, for example, you want to give him 4 days paid and 4 days unpaid. Make save. 4 days leave reduction will appear in the payroll report. You understand? Okay, let's back to the home page. We have two more options. Employee holding. Here we have any kind of holding by the employee. For example, you have given him a laptop or a mobile phone or any other company asset, so you can track down here. So when the employee is leaving, you can come back to the report and see what is there anything you have given, the company has given to the employee or not. Okay, and this is also a very important module in this HR system, expiry reminder. For example, you are maintaining the record of employees documents like passport, national ID expiry or civil ID expiry or any other thing. You can track down their expiry days and you can write the number of days you should be notified. For example, the expiry date for this employee is this. In the comments you can write anything, any document name, and you should be notified before 10 days when you will come to the report. So days left will show in positive normally. Negative days left means 54 days over past this expiry. Okay, so when you are regularly watching this report, so you will never find any days in negative. Okay, negative is your company's loss, so you will do the renewal before the expiry. So this is the whole scope of an HR and payroll management software. Okay, administration, you can define the logins for your staff and you can control the access level of them. For example, one staff, you don't want to edit any employee information, or one staff, you don't want him to see the payroll information like this. So in the video description you will find our website in case you want to contact us. As I told you, this is a cloud-based application. By paying a nominal amount you can use this application and we will provide you training support, and in case you want any modification or customization we'll be happy to do that. Thank you very much for watching this video.